Why high-protein salads matter.
High-protein salads help keep you full and energized, making them perfect for meals that last. Protein supports muscle health, aids weight management, and can stabilize blood sugar. By customizing your salads, you can enjoy variety without sacrificing nutrition. Let's explore 5 simple, flexible formulas that make building a satisfying, high-protein salad easy for anyone.
Formula 1. Lean Meat Power Bowl.
Start with a base of leafy greens. Add a serving of grilled chicken breast, turkey, or lean beef for a reliable protein boost. Top with colorful vegetables like tomatoes, cucumbers, and peppers. Sprinkle with seeds or nuts and drizzle with a light vinaigrette for flavor and texture, creating a balanced, hearty meal.
Formula 2. Plant-based protein perfection.
Begin with spinach or kale, then mix in cooked lentils, chickpeas, black beans, or edamame for plant-powered protein. Add roasted sweet potatoes and crunchy vegetables. Finish with sliced avocado and a lemon tahini dressing for a creamy, nutrient-rich, and fully vegan salad option.
Formula 3. Seafood Salad Boost.
Choose a bed of mixed greens, top with canned tuna, salmon, shrimp, or cooked whitefish for a seafood twist. Add sliced radishes, bell pepper, and cherry tomatoes. A yogurt-based dressing or simple olive oil and lemon adds brightness, while fresh herbs like dill or parsley enhance the flavors.
Formula 4. Dairy and Egg Protein Combo.
Fill your bowl with mixed greens or arugula. Add chopped, hard-boiled eggs and crumbled feta, cottage cheese, or goat cheese. Mix in cherry tomatoes, cucumbers, and cooked quinoa for fiber. A balsamic vinaigrette ties together the creamy, savory, and fresh ingredients perfectly.
Formula 5. Tofu and Tempeh Medley.
Start with crisp romaine or cabbage. Add cubed tofu or tempeh, either baked or sautéed, for a substantial protein source. Include shredded carrots, snap peas, and red cabbage for crunch. Top with sesame seeds and a simple soy ginger dressing for a flavorful plant-based option.
Tips for building your high-protein salad.
Balance textures and flavors by mixing crunchy and soft ingredients. Aim for at least 15 grams of protein per serving for a filling meal. Watch portion sizes of dressings or extras to keep your salad healthy. With these formulas, enjoy delicious, customizable salads that fit your preferences and nutrition needs every time.